Welcome to Ecom by Nick and a new video. Today I will talk about something that's really important for your business and for your store, and that's the backend. The backend is what's holding your business up. If the backend don't work, you will get in a lot of problems. Like my first time, I found my first winner and lost $20,000 for I just sold. I just was thinking about the advertising and the meta ads and everything, and I was just pushing because I have found my winner and I was so happy. Then realized that my agent, or not even agent, I was shipping from AliExpress then, sent out the wrong product to everyone. But that's what we're going to talk about today, and I will also, of course, give you the solution. Welcome to Ecom by Nick. Today we will talk about the back end of your store, and we will also give you a solution to how you will prepare so you will not fall into the traps or get in this situation that's not funny to get in. When you see orders coming in, you see the fulfillment are taking too long time, or Shopify will react, okay? They will, especially if this is your first store, they will give you a 20% hold directly, and then after a while they will ban you, not maybe from Shopify, but they will ban you from Shopify payments, and you need to take in a third-party payment solution, everything like that, or you just do it correct from the first time. Nowadays, it's much more easier, of course. When I started, you needed to go through AliExpress and things like that. Later on, I found a private agent that helped a lot. And private agent, it can be good, but it can also be, of course, very overwhelming in the start. And then you have all the platforms, of course, that's out there. I won't name any. You have a lot of them that's really good, but it's not so personal, and you have to stick with the product they have. You can, of course, source, but it takes time, and it doesn't really feel that they are working for you. Lately, now with Q4 last year, I was approached by a company and I tried them out, and they are really, really good. It's a platform, but you have the connection like it's your private supplier. You will talk to them with WhatsApp, and you can send them products from AliExpress to get quotes and everything like that. And I tested them through Q4 and it worked really, really good. Quick delivery times. You can customize your package, everything like that. So you don't get in this situation like I did with my first product. I was selling and I was so happy. I found my winner. I was scaling. And then after 30 days, I was starting to get all these mails from the customers, this is not the product I ordered, what's wrong with the sizes and everything. And I was like, oh my God. And I contacted the supplier, and of course they didn't answer. And I paid for express shipping, and they have not shipped with express shipping. So it took 25 days for the customer to get the products. And I think I lost around $20,000 I needed to pay back to the customers. And this, before you scale, you need to have this. You need to have everything in place. You need to have your back end secured. And that you can get through Teemdrop. Teemdrop is I would say that it is a combination of a private agent and an easy platform for beginners. And they can ship it out one order, they can ship out 10 orders, they can ship out, if you're shipping out 100 orders a day, 1,000 orders a day, it doesn't matter. They will take care of you. And you will have them like a private agent, because like I said, you contact them through WhatsApp and you can get quotes. You can get quotes on 1, 2, 3 products, and you can get quotes to different countries. So it's working really, really good. And I will show you on my computer. So let's get on my computer. So we are back and we are at my computer right now, and I will show you how Teemdrop works. So you get an account and you are logged in like this, and you can source directly from 1688, you can source directly from Taobao, or directly from Teemdrop. They have a lot of products also, of course, in the directly at Teemdrop. And this is where you connect your store, and everything is really, really easy. You pay for the products, they send them out, and you have your orders, you have your the product for your store. And if you don't find your product here, you can, like I said, contact them on WhatsApp directly here, and they will source it for you. So it's really, really easy. So you get the private agent contact, but you also have a very easy platform to work with. And that I think is really, really great. And also, what do this cost you every month to have this type of service? They are, right now, it's free. So why don't test it? Of course, you should test this out. You will need to have an agent or fulfillment partner that you can trust. And Teemdrop you can really trust. I have tested it myself, like I said, and you can also customize your products. You can, on Teemdrop, you can really go from testing products to finding your winner, to building a real brand with customized packaging, with customized products, and you have direct contact with them or agent they provide for you. Yeah, it's really, really great. I haven't seen anything like this really before, so I really recommend it. Like I said, fully transparent. They contact me, so I will leave a link to you at the top of the description, and I think you should try this out. It's really easy to get started, and like I said, it doesn't cost you anything, so why don't test them? And also, of course, it's nice to know that the fulfillment is in place, so you can focus on marketing your products and building your store and scaling your store. You don't need to think about this, does that package get sent out to the customer, or did it get sent out on time, or is it the correct product? Teemdrop work with suppliers they trust, and they will quality test your product. So this is a really good solution, and I hope you will try it out. A little bit different video today, but I really wanted to get this information out to you because I had so many questions about this. How do I fulfill my orders? What service should I use? Should I use a private agent? Should I use any platform out there? Or should I use AliExpress directly? I got so many questions. Now I got the answer for you. Use Teemdrop and get a private supplier and a platform in one. And yeah, click the link at the top of the description. It really helps the channel, and I will see you in the next video.